Concrete operational stage of Piaget's theory on cognitive development, 7 to 12 years. This period lasts around 7 to 11 years of age, or 12 years, and is characterized by the development of organized and rational thinking. Piaget considered the concrete stage a major turning point in the child's cognitive development because it marks the beginning of logical or operational thought. The child is now mature enough to use logical thought or operations, rules, but can only apply logic to physical objects. Children begin to apply rules and strategies to help their thinking and use concrete objects to aid their thinking and use concrete objects to aid their understanding. For example, using counters to find the answer to a sum. They have difficulty with abstract ideas such as morality. Children gain the abilities of conservation, number, area, volume, orientation, reversibility, serration, transitivity, and class inclusion. However, although children can solve problems in a logical fashion, they are typically not able to think abstractly or hypothetically. Conservation. Conservation is the understanding that something stays the same in quantity even though its appearance changes. This can apply to aspects such as volume, number, area, etc. To be more technical, conservation is the ability to understand that redistributing material does not affect its mass, number, volume, or length. Serration. Sorting objects such as into size. Classification, naming and identifying objects according to size or appearance. Reversibility. For example, if they know that 2 bricks plus 4 bricks gives 6 bricks, they will know that 6 bricks minus 2 bricks gives 4 bricks. And decentration, the ability to make multiple views of a situation. Conservation relies on this. By around 7 years, the majority of children can conserve liquid because they understand that when water is poured into a different shaped glass, the quantity of liquid remains the same, even though its appearance has changed. 5-year-old children would think that there was a different amount because the appearance has changed. Conservation of number developed soon after this. Piaget set out a row of counters in front of the child and asked her or him to make another row the same as the first one. Piaget spread out his row of counters and asked the child if there were still the same number of counters. Most children aged 7 could answer this correctly, and Piaget concluded that this showed that by 7 years of age, children were able to conserve number. Some forms of conservation, such as mass, as understood earlier than others. Volume. Piaget used the term horizontal dysallage to describe this and other developmental inconsistencies.